Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's story is a bit unusual because it involves a talking toothbrush. So, brush those pearly whites and get ready for a wild ride. It all started on a Tuesday morning, like any other. 10-year-old Alex was brushing his teeth when he heard something unbelievable. His brush, a bright blue one named Sparky, was talking. "Good morning, Alex," Sparky exclaimed in a squeaky voice. "Remember to floss today?" Alex nearly spit out his toothpaste. Did my toothbrush just talk?" he stammered. "Indeed I did," Sparky replied. "I'm Sparky, your friendly neighborhood toothbrush, and I'm here to help you keep your teeth healthy and strong." Alex was amazed. He had never met a talking toothbrush before. Sparky, however, explained that he belonged to a secret group of talking toothbrushes dedicated to good dental hygiene. But there was a problem. The evil Dr. Plaque, a villain who wanted everyone to have bad teeth, had stolen the magic toothpaste that gave the toothbrushes their powers. "We need your help, Alex," Sparky pleaded. "Only you can help us defeat Dr. Plaque and get our magic toothpaste back." Alex, ever the brave adventurer, agreed to help. He and Sparky set off on a mission to Dr. Plaque's secret lair, located in the forgotten corners of the bathroom cabinet. They faced many challenges along the way, including battling giant flossing worms and navigating through a maze of dirty socks. But Alex, with Sparky's guidance and his own quick thinking, overcame them all. Finally, they reached Dr. Plaque's lair, a dark and slimy place filled with rotten teeth and discarded candy wrappers. There, they found the evil Dr. Plaque, mixing the magic toothpaste into a vile concoction. "Prepare to face the consequences of good dental hygiene, fools," Dr. Plaque cackled. But Alex and Sparky wouldn't give up. They used their combined skills to defeat Dr. Plaque and retrieve the magic toothpaste. With Dr. Plaque defeated and the magic toothpaste safe, the talking toothbrushes regained their powers. They celebrated their victory with a giant tooth-shaped cake, made with healthy ingredients, of course. Alex, forever changed by his adventure, became a champion for good dental hygiene. He even started a blog called Adventures with Sparky, sharing his experiences and encouraging kids to take care of their teeth.